Hi, solving simultaneous equations. So this simultaneous equation is really nice because it's set up to be solved by the process of elimination. So elimination is when you add or subtract the two different equations together in order to get rid of one of the variables. So if I take, let me just grab my pen here, x minus 3y equals 7, x minus 2y equals 5. So the reason I say this is nicely set up for elimination is because this x variable has the same coefficient of 1, and they're the same sign. So I can take these two equations and I can subtract them. So I go x minus x gives me 0. Negative 3 subtract negative 2. When you subtract a negative, it's the same thing as positive. So this is like negative 3 plus 2. So that's going to give me negative y equals 7 minus 5 is 2. So we get that our y variable, y, is equal to negative 2. Because we need to basically divide both sides by negative 1. So y equals negative 2. So once we have our y variable, we just sub it into either one of these equations in order to find our x variable. So for example, I can go x minus 2 times negative 2 equals 5. Then I get x plus 4, because the negative and the negative make a positive. And I get x equals 1. I could have used the other equation as well. Maybe I decided to use the first equation. 3 times negative 2 equals 7. Negative and the negative make a positive, so this is x plus 6 equals 7. And we still get x equals 1. So it doesn't matter which one of these equations you use to solve. You'll always get the same answer if you found the same y. So we can say our answer two different ways. We can write that x equals 1, y equals negative 2, or we can write it as a coordinate point where it's x is 1, y is negative 2. And there you go, solving simultaneous equations using elimination.